We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here Onyx. Today I'm going to show you the common causes of a paper jam, and I'm working with a Brother MFC L5850dw. So first thing I like to do is open my tray and take it all the way out. You have these green tabs right here. This one is your adjustment for the size of the paper that you're using. So this one can use legal or letter. Then you also have this one that you can adjust for any envelopes, small paper, or anything like that. There's also these little gray tabs right here. You never want to fill your paper above that tab or even really close to it. It makes the paper too tight and result causing a jam. And it's important for these to be in the right spot, because if it's not, it won't recognize the paper, or it'll pull too many at one time and result causing a jam. So another thing that I like to do is when I'm adding paper to my tray, instead of just taking the paper and putting it just on top of it in my tray, I like to fan it out and align it. But the reason why I don't do that is this paper right here could curl up. Then when the rollers try to pick the paper up, it's going to jam because it's too thick. It's curled up, it's crinkled. So take your new paper and your old paper, combine the two, and fan it out. Sometimes if you, like we live in Oklahoma, so the humidity and the condensation in the air makes the pages stick together at times, so I like to fan it out. And then go ahead and realign it, and then stick it in your tray. If you do these things, it will definitely reduce the amount of paper jams that you have. If you're seeing a lot of paper jams, go ahead and give us a call. It might be time to put your printer in for a service. If you guys are in need of any quotes or supplies, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.